Ford kitchen sink engine. So it's a gasoline version. So the layout is just like this, but it runs on white gas. It's about this big.
Now, when he was talking, I didn't get the hearing, but what was the advantage of this? Why was it so much more efficient?
The reason it was so much more efficient was in this era, the way that a steam engine was typically throttled was there would be a relief valve in the boiler. So if you wanted to slow the engine down to release some steam, you lost steam.
You lose.
I'm at the Henry Ford Museum in Michigan, and this is worthy of a picture. At school we learned about this first steam engine, 1710, and here it is. Here it is. How about that for amazing? Newcomen steam engine, the oldest steam engine in the world, right here in Michigan. So we'll have a walk around and look at it, but this is the thing that we learned about in history with Moriarty at Combe Valley High School. This has come over from England and is now in this Ford Museum in Michigan. Look at that. Actually, this is a better picture of it from this angle. This is the Newcomen steam engine again. Guess that's the pump output from it. And I guess this big ball object on the left is the condenser, I don't know. I'm not sure. There's not a lot of information about it. But anyway, there it is. How about that? This is the machine shop in the Henry Ford village, and look at that shaft carrying power to all the machines in the long machine shop. Each machine has a belt that can hang down from it, and this reminds me very much of what it was like in the mill. In the mill there was a shaft across the top from which belts hung down to drive the various machines. When I was a young lad, when I worked in the mill, I would go in the morning and I had to start the electric motor for the whole floor of the mill. And so I would shout, "Starting up!" and then move the switch across to start, give it a few seconds and then move it to the run position. And these big shafts would come to life. And then from each shaft, a belt came down to each individual carding machine. And there was a pulley on it, and an idler pulley and a fixed pulley, and by sliding the belt across it would start the machine. Pretty awesome. In fact, to tell you the truth, it's a video. Send the thing across, it will be awesome. Thank you.
Myself in the starting position here.
Right.
I like this loop, it just keeps track of things for you. I'm going to just pull that. Push the thread at the correct angle that you need to beat it at.
Yeah.
The other loom, you have to kind of decide what the angle is. There's a wood block that lacks the shuttle that you put across the loom.
Very complicated. You've seen my knitting patterns on top.
Well, that's called a flying shuttle.
We are from Romania.